It's so beautiful, the views. Wow. The shops right across the canal here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. That snake thing was so crazy. So cool. On this boat, she's doing the fried rice. Good morning, welcome to another video. This is day 3 in Bangkok. Had a bit of a change of plans. I was supposed to go directly to Pattaya, but then I decided to go to a floating market, as you've seen in the intro. So it's gonna take me about an hour and 45 minutes to reach the floating market and then go to Pattaya from there. I think it's about 2.5 hours, so it's gonna be quite a bit of a drive today. So before I could just take my cab to the floating market, I wanted to try the sandwich, which is quite famous in the 7-Eleven store. So this is the 7-Eleven store, and they're actually found on every street. So this is like their supermarket. So which is this. So they've got the where's that? Oh yeah, carbonara. So this is the one. I actually tried this last time. I'm gonna take it again. I liked it so much. Maybe I would want to try another one. Spinach and cheese. I think I would want to go with this spinach and cheese. It looks good. So I'm gonna get one of this. So what they do is they can actually make it hot for you, and they'll give it to you. So once you do the payment, they will kind of toast it up for you. Let's do the payment now. Hello. Thank you very much. Thank you. So I've actually checked out from the hotel, after I took the sandwich. But take a look at this. Wow, it's actually still hot. Look at that. Let me have the bite and tell you. Can you see that? The crispiness on the outside and the creamy, buttery thing inside. But yeah, just loving this morning breakfast kind of a thing. It's like 11:30 in the morning right now. So we should reach the place at about 1 o'clock. It's quite a bit of a drive. So I've reached the Damnoen Saduak starting point. It's super expensive if you're alone because I have to take the whole boat. So finally he has agreed for 2,500 baht for 2 hours. So I have to just follow him. So this is the starting point to go into the market. So it's just going to be a boat all for myself. But if you're coming with the family, it's the same price, doesn't matter. So this is the starting point. So we will be covering the floating market, the temple, and the sugar candy factory. So these 3 things we try to cover in 2 hours. I'm on the boat right now. It's going to be a good 2 hours. I love doing this. So she's taking a picture of me, right? It's so beautiful, the views. Wow. So happy that I came to do this. Took me about an hour and 20 minutes, I guess, from the city center in Bangkok, from my hotel to this point. I was actually planning to skip this place and go straight to Pattaya. Then I was like, okay, I skipped it last time also, let's not skip this time. So it's gonna take a bit of time for me to reach Pattaya, because from here it's a 3-hour drive to Pattaya. But anyways, got to enjoy these 2 hours for now and see. But beautiful, beautiful.
Chang one sing.
Give me one small chang.
Small chang.
Yeah.
Okay. You want smoke? Hello, weed.
Oh no, I'm good. I don't want weed.
You want cigarette?
No. Just one chang beer, please.
Okay. Small.
Yeah. And they've got this shop right here. Gonna just take beer now. They've got like the shops right across the canal here. So they've got a lot of shops here. I think we've still not entered the market yet. So many boats. This is a coconut sugar farm. Maybe we'll come here later. Seeing the amount of stores on this canal just tells me how much of a tourism they have to this particular water market. It's amazing. The stores won't stop. It's just on and on and on. It's been like what, 15 minutes now into the boat ride, and still the stores all along the way. And the beauty of this whole drive is, on the left side you have the shops, and the right side you have like nice coconut plantation. So you enjoy a bit of the nature on the right side and the shopping here on the left. So he's now stopped at a coconut farm right now. He just parked the boat right there, and he told me to come back in like 10-15 minutes. This is like a small market at the entrance, and much like coconut sweets and stuff. And they've got this beautiful stream of water here. Wow, look at this place, how beautiful this is. Wow. Like, people think of retire, you know, if not people, at least I think of retiring in a farm like this with a lot of coconut trees and you know, just one small house. It's just peaceful, man. I mean, just look at this. Just look at this. Wow. So many coconut trees. Just packing the cookies into the packet. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
2 hours.
Very good. Oh, this is jaggery. Yeah, very nice. Thank you. This is jaggery. Oh my God, it's so sweet. Super sweet. Oh my God. Even if you have like a small pond like this in your farmhouse, I think it'll be so good. This market actually evolved in the 1850s during the rule of King Rama IV. And this was actually the center for trading. And later on, it slowly started to decline, and because of a lot of projects that came on the land. So basically this was built to somehow connect the China Sea. And during the 1980s and 1985, a lot of the trade shifted to the land. So this started to become like a touristic spot. And then this is one of the top spots for tourists when they come. As I said earlier, the only downside to coming this is when you're solo, because you still need to take the full boat. You can't share with other people. So I spent what 2,500 for 2 hours, which is around, in rupees it's 50,000 and in dirhams it's 250 dirhams. And it opened, this place now opened up into a bigger kind of widened canal. So you have the shops here and you have the shops here as well. So I think now is where we are entering the floating market, because you see the board there. So I've now come to, wait. Wow, look at this snake. Oh my God, it's so slimy. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Oh, this is only going to be done once by me. Okay, all right. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Ah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Can you take a video in that? Yeah.
You soft and not half soft.
Yeah. So okay. Okay. Oh my God, it's moving. It's moving. Oh my God. Okay. Thank you. It's enough. Yeah. Take it. Thank you. Oh my God. Ah. Yeah. Oh my God, that was crazy. that snake thing was so crazy. I think that will be my first and last time I'm doing that. I was like nervous so much. But yeah, bloody, they took 500 bucks for that, man. Like 50 dirham. 1,000 rupees. Oh my God. That was crazy. But anyways, we're now back to the boat. I don't know where he's taking me. But now you see more of the house kind of structures. There are less shops and like more homes here. Which is, oh, look at this house, so cool. Wow. All this while, the way that we were coming is basically the path to reach the floating market. Wow, look at the amount of boats in here. Kind of appreciate the lives that people have chosen, you know, the people living in these houses and the people on the boats in the floating market. I mean, how simple their lives are. Log corporate life mein, they are like fighting and mar rahe hain, kis ke loan EMI pay kar rahe hain. And these people living a healthy life, having professions like these, you know, living in this kind of atmosphere. I mean, it's staying something close to the nature, you know. It's really cool. I just thought I'll say this. Kuch aur kar to nahi raha hu yahan pe. I have to talk. But yeah, this is we're entering into another area. The canals are getting bigger and bigger. He's now stopped. That's my boat right there. He's now stopped at a temple, which is within this, within this canal. So this is the Buddha temple that we're looking at. Wow, looks so good on camera. So cool. I think I have to be quiet here. So here says visitors are welcome to attach gold leaf. So all of this that you see is gold that people buy and stick it onto that. To the area where I was parked, but before that I wanted to hit this one. Did you hear that? Very cool. So I've asked him to stop at this place on this boat. On this boat, she's doing the fried rice. Look at that, wow. On the boat, cooking. And this is the view. This is where I'm sitting. Amazing. Look at that. And there's like a big restaurant right behind it. But I choose to eat here. So I got the fried rice. Let's take a bite and see. I have no place to keep it. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. She's giving me the change. It's like give me tip. It's the first bite. Very good. He started the board, so I'll have to barbecue. So I've asked him to stop there. I saw some barbecue there, of course. Fried rice needs some barbecue, but yummy food. So she's making it hot for me. Not so many, half. Now I got the barbecue as well. So I've got the barbecue and I've got the fried rice there. Let's give the barbecue a shot. Oh, look at that, nice and golden. It's alright, not so great. I was expecting it to be a little spicy. She has given me the spice. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So I'll try with the spice. Park. The rain started. It's drizzling right here. Take a look at that. Wow. Just on time. Didn't get drenched. So I'm back right now heading to the taxi, but something cool happened when I was kind of getting out from the board. This lady has actually framed my photo, and look at that. She took a picture while I was getting into the board, and by the time I'm back, she framed it. Like proper frame with like, stand and all. So she was like 200 baht. And I'm like, no, 100 baht. She said, okay. So I was like, this is already framed and I can keep it at my home as a souvenir. So I just took it. So it's 100 baht if you're ever wanting to take it. So don't pay 200, yeah? Yalla. Getting into my cab right now. So It's going to be a 3-hour drive to Pattaya. It's going to be a long one. I'll try to get some sleep on the way because I want to just go out tonight in Pattaya. That's going to be the end of the video because I have so much of footage from this market. So it's really a very, very good experience. I would give it a 9 on 10. So right now I'm going to be driving towards Pattaya. It's going to take like 3 hours for me. So overall a fantastic experience. I hope you enjoyed this video, so just give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and then it'll just help me make more stuff for you like this. Yeah. So we finally reached on the first night here, and of course the first place to go. Where else would it be other than the walking street?
Thai vitamin very good. The
Yeah.
best from Thailand.
Amazing.